Good job. Good job. All right, so let's check motion. Good. So I am just releasing soft tissue around her head. So same with my big people. I like to work on soft tissue and bone because they go hand in hand. So feeling through motion. So I'm adjusting your atlas. Just sustain contact. And all I'm waiting for is for it to just kind of melt into place. Easy peasy. One quick stretch, and then I'll let you go. Good job. Baby should be able to fold in half. If all is working, easy peasy. Okay. Just like that.